Welcome back, guys. I hope that you guys are refreshed and revived. Thank you so much to our sponsor Liberty for being here for us and helping us to bring the messages across to you guys in terms of this revision. I hope that you guys are sitting down and just claiming and aiming towards the best in terms of this revision, because I know that you guys are this close to the finish line. So the next question that we do have is a measurement question, and let's read it. Actually, it says to us that Naomi buys a 2-liter bottle of concentrated juice. So we can see our little bottle over there, and we are told that it is 2 liters of concentrated juice. It says to us she adds water to make it 14 liters. So she takes this oros that we've been given here and she adds water, and it makes it 14 liters in total of diluted juice at a total cost of 44 Rand and 95 cents. Okay? She wants to serve the diluted juice in glasses. Each glass will contain 0.175 liters of diluted juice. So that's the information that we do have in terms of that. 1.3.1, calculate the cost per liter. So we want the cost per liter, and that per over there automatically for me it indicates that I'm going to be dividing something. So whatever it is that I'm going to be dividing, it's cost all over liter. You see what I did there? This for me indicates division, and then that tells me what the numerator should be, and that tells me what the denominator is going to be. So it's the cost all over the liters of the diluted juice. So we are doing it in terms of the diluted juice and not the concentrated juice. This is a very interesting question. It is a question that's quite common, actually. I see it quite often. So that's going to be 44 Rand. You remember what I said to you guys? It's going to be 44 Rand and 95. And we are going to divide that because it's per, okay, with the 14 liters. So let's see how much that is going to give us. So that's 44 Rand 95. 44 Rand 95 divided by the 14 liters, which gives us 3 Rand and 21 cents. I'm going to round that off to 2 decimal places. 3 Rand and 21 cents per liter. Or let's say that, okay? Because it says to us per liter. Perfect. That's what we're going to say in terms of that. 1.3.1 continues on to say to us, determine in simplified form. So, okay, I'll tell you what I'm thinking in terms of this. Determine in simplified form the ratio of, now I can tell you what I was thinking. Whenever you do, whenever you ask to give a ratio, whenever you are asked to give a ratio, make sure your answer is in the simplest form, guys. Make sure that your answer is in the simplest form. I'll show you how to do it with your calculator, a little cheat method in terms of that. So let's look at what we are being asked. It says there, volume of concentrated juice to volume of water. So volume of, I'm going to say concentrate to volume of water. Okay? So the volume of concentrate juice is 2 liters. And volume of water, we're going to say this 14 minus this 2 over here, because they said that when everything is together, it makes 14 liters. So it's going to be 2 is to 12. Another thing, whenever you write ratios, do not put the units of measurement. Okay? So I'm just going to write my 2 there again. Okay? That's in terms of that. So now let's look at this. I've got 2 even numbers over here. And with my 2 even numbers, I can use 2, which is the smallest number, and I can divide this 2 into itself and divide this 2 into the 12 as well. Okay? I can do that. So if I divide 2 into itself, If I divide 2 into itself, it's going to go into itself once. If I divide 2 into 12, it's going to give me 6. Let me see if it was going to work in terms of how I was going to do it over here. I was going to put 2 over 12. Oh, look at that. 1 is to 6. Beautiful. Another nice way that you can use your calculator and not frustrate yourself. That's 2.2. Stunning. I love using the resources that I have around me to make everything better for myself. So 1.3.3. So please always remember to leave your ratio in its simplest form. But guys, another thing that you need to remember in terms of ratios, I want to show you the order in which it was given in is the order that you always need to put your ratio in. Look at this. In this question, this is the order it was given to us. But sometimes they might say to you, volume of concentrated juice to, and not put this over here, to volume of water, okay? So always put it in that order that you are given in. Don't go and do something else that's funky. Determine the exact number of glasses of diluted juice that can be served. So we're going to use this number over here because we know that 1 glass is that much, and we know that's the total. So we're going to divide those numbers into each other. So we know that 1 glass is equal to 0.175 liters. That's what we know. And then we know that the total amount of juice we have is 14 liters. So we're going to divide those two into each other to know how many glasses can fit. Another thing, whenever you see the word how many or exact number in terms of that division, guys, keywords, standard. Therefore, 14 liters divided by 0.175 liters. That's going to give us our nice answer in terms of glasses there. So 14 liters divided by 0.175, 80 glasses, okay? And it makes sense. It really does make sense. So 80 glasses, because this is a 14 liter and you must think of it in terms of 1 glass.